Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set message settings on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings in the shortcuts section. Then you should scroll down and click on General. Within the General section, you can find the Messages Settings button. So tap on the third button, Messages Settings. Here you have for features, client service feedback. Here you can enable push notifications. You can set sticky on top message setting and delete messages. As you go back, you can set the same with the other options. However, in the corporate actions section, you can set the type, corporate actions, dividends, notifications can be enabled, as well as earnings notifications. In the IPO, you can do the same alerts, and the price alerts can be set to automatic alerts about the price movements. Here you can set the price moves and the percentages can be seen. You can customize alerts. Here you can add an alert, and here you can set the message sound as well. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.